Here I have OPPO A1 and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and here you can find the button power saving. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can automatically turn it off when the battery is charged to 90%. You can turn it on a specific battery level, automatically. And you can also set up some of its default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization, and you can also lower screen refresh rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.